I don't know about you, but I find the buzzer at the end of a washing machine cycle to be extremely annoying, especially when it won't shut up. I don't mind a couple of reminders to tell me my wash is finished, but this Miele constantly bleeps. It probably turns off after a while, but I've been meaning to turn this feature off for a long time, and I'm sure there are a few people out there that would like to know how to turn off the annoying signal at the end of the wash cycle in your Miele washing machine. Now, my particular one is a W1 Excellence, but this may apply to other Miele models in the range. So to turn off the annoying buzzer, first turn the selector dial to Further Programs. Using the arrow down on the touch screen, select the Settings section. Then press OK. Use the arrow down again to find Buzzer Volume. Press OK. And then you can increase or decrease the buzzer volume using the up or down arrow. So we want to decrease it, so we press down arrow until it says off. Press OK. And now you can turn off your washing machine and it won't bleep anymore. So the next time your washing machine finishes, you're not going to be annoyed by the buzzer. It will still perform the anti-crease cycle, so the drum will continue to rotate until you take the washing out, but you can also deactivate anti-crease in the settings menu. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any comments or questions about this Miele W1 Excellence, please comment below, and I'll see you all very soon for the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.